Hello everyone, in today's review, meet the tablet that redefines endurance, the HOTWAV R9 Ultra 5G rugged tablet. Built for extreme conditions, it combines raw power with the latest technology running on Android 15 with the octa-core processor and 5G connectivity. Powering it all, it's a massive 20,080 mAh battery offering up to 120 days of standby time. Tough, smart and built to last. This is the HOTWAV R9 Ultra 5G in today's review. When it comes to rugged devices, HOTWAV is no stranger to durability and performance. After a long line of successfully smartphones and tablets, the company now brings us its latest powerhouse, the R9 Ultra. Now it's time to unbox it and see what's inside. Right from the start, we can see that the HOTWAV includes the additional tempered glass, even though the tablet already comes with a pre-installed screen protector straight from the factory. Next we have USB Type-C charging cable, OTG cable for reverse charging all the devices, a SIM pin, fast charger, and even the electronic stylus pen. And of course the R9 Ultra user manual. But that's not all, we also get plenty of practical accessories designed to make handling and carrying the tablet easier. There is even a screwdriver along with a smaller bag containing screws and hooks used to attach the leather hand strap. Once installed, the strap allows you to hold the tablet secure in the hand, perfect for situations where you need your other hand free. Finally, my personal favorite, this black metal tablet holder and stand. Not only does it make carrying the device easier, but also serve as a sturdy tablet stand, letting you position to the tablet perfectly for watching content, typing or working. It's a very clever and practical addition, I must say. Alright, that was everything included in this impressive sales package. Now it's time to focus on the tablet itself. The R9 Ultra 5G immediately gives off a sense of strength and durability. It looks exactly how a rugged tablet should look, brutal, massive and incredibly reliable. The moment you hold it in your hands, you can feel that it's built to endure the toughest conditions. Its main color is black and the back cover features a geometrically stylized design with a mix of three-dimensional and texture elements that not only look great but also provide the excellent non-slip grip. It's designed that perfectly balance functionality and style. At the center of the back you will find the HOTWAV logo, while just above it sits a large striking metal dual camera module giving the tablet a bold and industrial appearance. Below that is a powerful LED camping light, an excellent addition to outdoor use, and further down two speaker grills delivers a rich, powerful hi-fi stereo sound perfect for watching videos, gaming or listening to music. Everything about the R9 Ultra 5G is built and designed screams toughness. On the top of the tablet, protected by a rubber cover, we find the SIM card slot in which we can have two nano SIM cards at the same time as the option of one SIM and one TF card. On the right side we find the volume buttons and below them is a red power button. There is also a USB Type-C charging port on the side protected by a rubber seal. On the front we are greeted by a large 11-inch FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. The bezels are slightly thicker, typical for rugged tablets, but in this case that's actually an advantage. It makes the tablet much easier and safer to hold without accidental screen touches, especially when working outdoors or wearing gloves. At the top there is a 60 megapixel front camera alongside a light sensor, perfect for video calls, online meetings and remote work. Whether you are joining a conference or chatting with friends, the image clarity is sharp and detailed. With its FHD Plus 2K technology and up to 400 nits of brightness, the display delivers vibrant colors, sharp contrast and solid visibility under direct sunlight. Watching videos, browsing the web and reading documents feels comfortable and vivid. The touch responsiveness is excellent, smooth and precise, whether you are scrolling, typing or using the included stylus pen to sketch or take notes. One of the important features of this device is a Widevine L1 certification. That means that this tablet can play HD and HDR content from platforms like Netflix, Disney Plus and Amazon Prime Video without any limitations. Whether you are watching a movie series or videos in high resolution, the image quality will be superb. Further highlights this tablet as a perfect choice for multimedia and entertainment. Under the hood, the R9 Ultra pushes performance to a whole new level. It's powered by the latest Android 15 system with Gemini AI options, offering a modern and fluid user experience. Paired with a full 5G connectivity, you can expect ultra-fast downloads, lag-free streaming and crystal clear video calls in real time. The tablet runs on a Unisoc T713 octa-core processor. This processor is built on a 6nm process and it's designed to provide efficient performance for demanding tasks while supporting 5G connectivity. The memory setup is where the tablet really shines. A massive up to 24GB of RAM, 8GB of physical and 16GB of virtual, combined with a huge 512GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2TB via the macro SD card. That's a laptop level capacity in a rugged tablet. With this configuration, multitasking, gaming or managing large files is effortless. Gaming performance is surprisingly strong for a device of this class. Popular titles run smoothly with a minimal heat even after longer seasons. Android 15 adds several smart options, faster app launching, improved power management and enhanced privacy protection, giving you smooth and secure experience every time. Now, turning on the back, the R9 Ultra boasts impressive dual camera system that sets it apart from the most rugged tablets. Features a 64 megapixel main OmniVision sensor for crisp and detailed photos and a 20 megapixel night vision camera, perfect for outdoors and low light environments. Photo quality is excellent for this category, detail well balanced and with realistic color tones. The night vision camera is especially handy for adventure trips or secure work, letting you capture scenes even in total darkness. Video recording is equally reliable, maintaining clarity and consistent focus. One of the R9 Ultra's most distinctive features is the super camping light, capable of producing up to 350 lumens of brightness. It contains around 510 lightning beads and output up to 6 watt of power, easily illuminating the entire campsite, construction zone or emergency area. It can even serve as a SOS signal visible from long distances, a true lifesaver in remote environments. All this is powered by a gigantic 20,080 mAh battery, one of the largest. It delivers days of continuous use, and in standby mode it can last up to 120 days without recharging. The tablet supports a 20-watt fast charging, getting you back for full power in no time. 10-watt reverse charging, turning the tablet into a massive power bank for your other devices. Whether you are working in the field, camping or traveling off-grid, this battery ensures that your tablet will keep going long after others give up. The R9 Ultra is designed to survive where the regular tablets would fail. It carries IP68 and IP69K certifications as well as MIL-STD-810H military-grade protection. It can withstand drops up to 1.2 meters, immersion in water up to 2 meters for 30 minutes, and exposure to dust, mud and sand. It's perfect tool for field engineers, outdoor enthusiasts, first responders or anyone working in the challenging environments. No matter the conditions, rain, snow or desert heat, this tablet keeps performing without compromise. All in all, the R9 Ultra 5G is a true powerhouse, a rugged tablet that blends durability, performance and versatility like very few others. From its massive battery and the bright 2K display to the 5G connectivity, Android 15 and professional-grade cameras, it is a device built equally for adventure and productivity. Whether you are working on site, exploring nature or simply want a reliable tablet that won't let you down, this is the one. The official purchase link are below this video. Check them out and grab your HOTWAV R9 Ultra 5G today at the current promotional pricing while the offer lasts. That will be all for now. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.